Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can back up your storage in the Mega application on your device like your Windows 10 or Windows 11. So let us guide you through this. Launch the Mega desktop application and then guys navigate to this field here on the left hand side, backups, right? So you can create a new backup by clicking into this button for your storage. Then add a folder here. For example, you may also select one of these folders here, and these then, as you can see, these selected folders will then be converted into read-only folder as long as the desktop app is running, right? So you can't do this through the web version. And yeah, so you can, for example, let me add a folder, or you can, let me add one, and then select the folder on your device. I'm going to select this one here, right? Click into next, and then click into backup. And then your backup of the given folder, as you can see guys, will be created. And that's it. Click into them here and you will see, for example, the backed up folders here, so that you may expand it, for example, and see the exact location of the folder. And that's how it works. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.